Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's get to the reading for today. Let's see what is in store today. So let's pick the cards and go for the reading. Two of Wands, that's a beautiful card. But what I love about this card is that it's a person and there's a pet watching over. So that's something I really liked about this card. So maybe today there's an indication that you need to go out and spend some time with your pet, take the pet for a walk, and at the same time maybe you're trying to explore some opportunities that is coming your way and you are in two minds whether to take it up or not. I feel it's an indication that if you take it up, if you take the opportunity which is coming your way in your hand, then there is a lot of growth, there is a lot of abundance and prosperity your way. So if there's an interview which is coming your way, or if there is a opportunity which is coming your way which you are in two minds, then you need to go ahead and you need to decide and take the call and take up the opportunity. Let's see what's next. Okay, two cards have come, so it's okay, let's just go with it. It's the Nine of Wands and the Six of Swords. See, if you see overall today is a day where you will get opportunities, you will get a lot of things coming out, and end of the day you will walk away leaving all your issues, you will walk away leaving all your unwanted obstacles behind, because that's what I see the Six of Swords as. A person is just walking away with whatever is there, whatever he can take up, and the rest he's leaving it back, not wondering or not worrying about it. So overall I feel today is a day where there is an opportunity coming but you're worried, but if you take it up, because I see the Nine of Wands as a card, not as a card of fighting, but as a card of ready for anything and everything, because you have seen a lot behind your day, so, or you've seen a lot in your life. So today you will be ready to take up whatever comes your way, and you will come out of that thing which is troubling you in a beautiful way. In case, for example, I'll give you, if you've had a fight with your family member, you'll be able to resolve it and come out of it. If there is a misunderstanding with the boss, then you'll be able to resolve it. If there's a sort of health issues, then you'll be able to come out of it. So overall the day is going to be beautiful today. Go with the color light green. I feel there's a lot of healing energies you need throughout the day today, so light green is the color today. Also, if possible, in the evening after 6 o'clock, donate something to someone in need. It can be anything that you want. It can be clothes, or old worn clothes, or something new, whatever you feel like, but some donation has to be done today evening after 6 o'clock. In the morning, have a bath with little bit of rose water in your normal water, if you have the rose water, because that will break the unwanted energies which is troubling you, and it will help you for the day to be positive and for the day to be blissful. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.